conference high at 23 points, and 3 out of your 4 highest scoring games kalaban Meralco. Is there anything particular against Meralco na parang mas maganda yung shooting or yung scoring game?
First and foremost, all glory to God sa panalo nito. So lang bigyan ito sa yung wife ko, family ko, yung mga anak ko. And yun, I think yung familiarity and kataon lang din siguro na tuwing playoffs, no, kami nagtatapat against Meralco. We know, grabe yung defensive team nila. No? And coming to this game, sabi na ni Coach Richard, to battle their physicality. No? Kaya, basta playoffs lang, basta veteran, kailangan ko lang din maging ready to step up yung mga elimination game.
Now, Scott, hindi lang yung offense mo, yung maganda ngayong game, that was an all-around game for you. And every time na nakukuha ka ng rebound or there's a hustle play for you, na-excite sisigaw yung crowd. Is this a factor or does it motivate you to grab another rebound because, again, yung nagagawa yung crowd?
Overall naman, yun lang talaga yung gusto ko maging aggressive, both ends, no? Offense and defense. Nagkataon din talaga na nasushoot yung mga team ako and credit din sa mga teammate ko na lahat ko. We move the ball well. I think 5 guys sa amin na nasa double figures. So, I think malaking bagay sa amin. Sign sa amin na talaga yung bola gumagalaw sa offense.
Lagi natin lagi kayo kalaban ng mga natin sa playoffs. Pero meron bang hindi pa kayo bagay mo natin pa kayo nag-figure out sa Meralco for this playoff matchups na nangyayari sa inyo?
Sabi mo nga, lagi kami, so nagkakakuya na talaga, medyo alam na namin yung players' tendencies. I think it's up na lang sa mga sa amin, no, kung paano namin i-execute lahat ng game plan. Kasi andyan naman na yung natin, so yun na lang yung key kung paano namin i-execute hard, especially coming sa defense ng Meralco, sobrang aggressive and physical.